Hey guys, welcome back to Modern Reviews. Today I have another dash cam review from Amazon, the Galphi Q2. So this is a 4K dash cam, and this does only come with a front dash cam. So keep that in mind. I always review a lot of dual dash cams or dual channel dash cams, and this is one of the only ones I've reviewed that is only front camera only. Nothing wrong with that. You don't really need the back camera very often, but just something to keep in mind. So you have a nice warranty card, some nice pieces of plastic to help with the mounting if you have like a bumpy pattern on your windshield. Let's go ahead and pull the camera out of here. Kind of nice foam packaging there. That's always good to see. And this is what the camera looks like. So power button on the end here, USB or USB-C power right there. Then this is the micro SD comes already installed. That's always good to see. I wish I had longer fingernails. Let me get a little tool to poke that out. Hopefully this is at least 64 gigabytes, and it looks like it is, so that's good. Always nice to see that in there. It's very frustrating when you buy a camera and it doesn't come with all the kind of pieces that you need right in the box. So as far as getting it to stick on the windshield, just a little sticky pad here. The mount is already attached to the camera. There's not any additional piece. I do kind of like that. So before we test it out, let's check out what else we got in here. Just a cigarette lighter to USB-C, that's good. Does have a little pick right here. This is to hit the reset button. I saw it somewhere right here. That's nice to have. And then a couple extra sticky pads in case you mess the mount up. And some wire kind of guides that are sticky as well, but without having a rear dash cam, you really won't need those. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Really doesn't even have a screen on it, which I didn't realize until now. But honestly, that's kind of nice. You don't really need the screen too much, especially if you're just filming to the SD card. Hit the power button, and if this thing does good and has good quality, I'm gonna like the simplicity of this. So let's go check it out. Okay, so I've got this one installed now, and this one doesn't have a screen again, guys. So when I plug it in, the one downside here is I can't tell if that's aiming the correct way or not. So that is one downside, though the simplicity is nice. When I plugged it in, it said formatting is required. The only button on this thing is the power button, so I hit that, and then it did say SD card is formatted and ready to go. So it should be filming right now. Again, it would be nice to have some sort of indicator to know that it's actually working, but let's go ahead and start driving and see what the quality looks like. So guys, there you have it, my quick review of the Galphi Q2 dash cam from Amazon. Overall, the video quality is definitely above average in my opinion. It's got a nice vibrant pop to it. It's not too dark by any means. Overall, the video is pretty nice. So the main thing you need to keep in mind here is that this does not have that screen on the back. It doesn't even have a light to indicate that it is recording, though when you turn your car on, it does say recording. So if you don't hear that, then you know it's not recording. But some people are going to like that. So if you're getting this as a gift for like your grandparents who don't want to deal with all the screen and buttons and everything, then this is going to be a good option. But if you like to have all that customizability with the screen, then maybe you need to look at a different one. And if you are going to look at a different one, I have a playlist with a bunch of other Amazon dash cams. Be sure to check that out on your way out. And thanks for watching Modern Reviews.